cooking. Heat the pan and put cooking oil. Fry the egg sunny side up. Don't overcooked. Using spatula to fold it. Set aside. Sauté the white onion and green shallot. Add 1 teaspoon ketchup. Pour 1 bowl of water. 1½ teaspoon tomato paste. Mix it. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. Simmer continuously. Add pinch of salt. We put now the fried sunny side up. No need cover, just keep simmer. Flip it over. Add spring onion, simmer for 2 to 3 minutes or until the sauce are thickened. Already done. Transfer on a plate and ready to serve. You can try to cook this recipe. Sure your kids will like it. Thank you for watching. See you next video again.